what are your long-term goals for TikTok?
Actually, I just want to see myself trending.
Oh, you just want to trend? This is Nairobi City, buzzing with a lot of energetic, diverse and dynamic young talent, each in a quest to make a name for themselves and become the next big thing on TikTok. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. If you're new here, my name is Maren.
And I'm Maureen.
Yeah, so in today's video, we are going to be investigating the new hub of TikTokers in Nairobi.
Yeah, and we're going to be also finding out why they wake up every morning to try and do content on TikTok. Is it worth it?
This is the kind of scene you only see on Sundays in the streets of Nairobi. Content creators flood the city to make a week's worth of content. In these streets, new friendships are born and collaborations are made through networking. Come with us as we give you a tour of what happens around the vibrant city. We'll also be talking to some of the young creators so that we can know the challenges they face. If you're watching this video and you have not subscribed, kindly consider subscribing and liking this video. You can also share it and leave us a sweet comment so that we can know your thoughts. Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
What's your name?
I'm Mercy.
What do you call yourself on TikTok?
Marshall Mercy.
Marshall Mercy.
Yeah.
Okay, so today we are here to find out about the life of content creators. So hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
My name's Alex.
Alex.
Yes.
Okay, so what are you doing here? I see you with the camera.
Yeah, so I'm a photojournalist, but I also do medical research in East Pokot.
You're a dancer and a TikToker.
Yeah.
What do you call yourself on TikTok?
Queensley 078, but the first one hiyo ili hakiwa this week. So the one I use now ni Queensley, lakini ni a backup.
What gives you the courage to come to the streets and do what you do?
Okay, according to me, it's just because I like dancing. So like, instead of me wasting my time just sleeping at home or doing nothing, I just create my time and come here. I come and dance. I find my fellow dancers, my friends. We do some shoots.
Generally, I love walking around and seeing what kind of different people I can talk to.
And what makes you nini nafanya ujitume sana?
Like mimi ni kitu iko ndani, like I started on 5 years. Then I was trained. I thank my aunt. Alinifunza kudance when I was at least 4 years hapo. So when I was in study, sikuwa naweza ati ku-impress hivyo na kuja kudance mbele ya watu. But nilikuwa na dance nikiwa kwa nyumba, like ile sitaki kuonekana, but unajua obvious unajua kudance. So nimeanza kutembea na the big one, wakubwa kuniliko wananiambia we kuja tuna dance, unaona unapata confidence ya kudance na wao, so unaweza kudance.
And right now, do you have any other source of income?
Yeah, I do work. Yeah.
Okay, so
From dancing, I also work.
and would you say you've made money from TikTok?
Not yet, but I think there are some people who makes money out of TikTok, but me, not yet.
Like, why do you do photography? Is it like a hobby or what?
Yeah, I mean, it started as a hobby, but I've worked in Israel, Palestine, and I've realized you can use photography as a way for letting other people speak through photos. So I really wanted to give the Palestinians a way to speak through my photos.
Okay.
Yeah.
And have you made money from it so far, or you just do it as a hobby?
I've actually made a good amount of money, enough to pay off this camera at least, because people ask me to do modeling photo shoots for fashion and stuff like that. So yeah, it's a hustle.
And would you say TikTok, you've earned money from TikTok?
for now siwezi sema nimeanza, but unajua like uko TikTok ndio sasa unapata like mojo, unaitwa place fulani, unaambiwa kuja udance, mnaambiwa tena muende place kwa nini like mnaitwa kwa show za TV. So I have a TV that always I love. Always follow on every Saturdays. It is at 11 to 1. It is called Bobola Sana TV 47. So uko nika home kwangu juu nashindanga uko like na hadi kila mtu ako welcome. Inakuwa tu sawa.
And do they pay you for that?
Yeah, wanalipanga.
Have you made any friends because of content creation here in the streets?
Yeah, of course. A lot of friends actually. I just got them here because I used to dance, yes, but mostly at home. So my friends were the one who influenced me to come here. We do some videos, challenges, yeah.
And how would you say TikTok has, dancing on TikTok has impacted your life, or TikTok in general?
First thing, I've met some celebs. The guys have never met before, the ladies have never met. Actually, they are here, some of them. I think the way they dance and the way they control themselves, actually they are pushing me. They are making me to push myself into it, so that I think one day I become as they are.
What are your long-term goals for TikTok?
Actually, I just want to see myself trending.
Oh, you just want to trend. This is something you're looking forward to doing for a long time, ama utatafuta kazi ingine, ama wewe kwako unasema tu this is the only work you want to do?
The only work. Juu ni kitu iko kwa damu yangu. Obvious my mom support me, my guardians, kila mtu juu anajua hiyo ni talent niko nayo. So hiyo ni kitu iko juu hadi like naitango place ka church na practice na watoi tuna dance na wao vitu kama hizo.
So in 10 years, where would you like to be? Ama where do you see yourself?
In 10 years. In 10 years, naona nikiwa like nimegrow. I have a lot of money. For mine, I have one goal. Na planning kusaidia watu wenye wako kwa street. Kaa hivi kwa street, siwezi saidia mama, nasaidia mtoi because mzazi anajua mbona alijileta huku. Si ni kutoroka kwao, mtoi alizaliwa like hakuwa anajua, alijipata tu hapo, shida imekujia hapo juu hakuwa anajua. So nachukua huyo mtoto, if I can, Mungu akiniwezesha nijenge children, so I will keep them, but nione tu nimesaidia because naambiangu asaidia mmoja asaidia wengine, ama usaidia watatu asaidia watatu, watatu asaidia watatu, that goes on na mnapata mmesaidiana.
What are the challenges you face as Kenyan TikTokers?
Nika umepost kitu mika kuna like there was a dance tulidansingi na this Tanzania guy, nice wish, but ukiingia kwa account yake unapata comments za wasichana wengine like like uko tu hapo smile like hadi mimi sisemi sikasirikangi, takasirika nikiona, but I know how to cool myself down. Hizo ndio challenges tunapatanga, kutusiwa like hizo.
Okay, so other than haters and trolls, are there other kind of challenges you face? Because I can see you shoot on streets and I can imagine it's not an easy thing to do.
Like tunapatanga juu na mnaweza kuja hivyo kushoot mpate kasa hii tuna shoot mpaka 6. Hiyo 6 ikifika ujue hapo uwezi simama tena juu unakuta umekuja na simu yako, umeplan, unaweka tu hivyo inaenda, umekuja na system yako, unaweka tu hivyo, unapata imeibiwa. So hadi like unashindwa utafanya nini, na huku hatiwezi kuja uombe mtu kitu juu like akutrust juu ni tao haizi kutrust, so inabidi utafute the only friend mwenye anaweza kusaidia.
What advice would you give an upcoming TikToker or someone who wants to open a TikTok account but they don't have the courage or to push themselves?
Okay, you just have to be courageous. If you want to be like a TikToker, you have to do your best. In everything you're doing, just do your best, have courage. Also, look for those friends who likes maybe dancing or doing some content. I think they can help you. Don't just sit there, your work is just like We just want to stay idle.
On the streets, we met another group called Nairobi Street Vibe. This group trains both experienced and non-experienced dancers for free. Let's see some of their work before we talk to one of their leaders.
My name is Kevin. I'm a dancer. I'm a professional dancer. I'm a Zumba instructor. I'm a team builder. I'm a hype man, and also I'm a driver. I'm a taxi driver.
Okay.
Yes.
You're a jack of all trades, eh?
Yeah, I'm everywhere. You can find me everywhere. Allow me to mix Kiswahili and English.
It's okay, it's okay.
Yeah. So here I'm the lead. I'm one of the leaders here at Nairobi Street Vibe. My main job or my main work here is to make sure the security is good, and and again to instruct and to coordinate everything to make sure everybody is having a good time here at Nairobi Street Vibe.
Okay, I've heard the name Nairobi Street Vibe a lot today.
Yeah.
So could you tell us about is it a group? What is Nairobi Street Vibe?
Yeah, it's a group started group of dancers which started this year, beginning of this year. Tulipatana hapa Tao, and then we decided we can do this, we can dance in town because first of all, big up to our governor Sakaja, allow camera to go to shoot Tao, and that motivated us to be shooting content in town, and again pia tulipata hizo enzi kulikuwa na classes mingi zinaendelea, so you have to pay to the class to join the class. You have to pay class ndo ufunzwe dance, but we were like, we belong to the state, we are from the state, why don't we start this thing here? Tusilipishe mtu, you just come, we teach you how to dance, like we allow everyone. Despite you are a good dancer, you are not a good dancer, you have never danced anywhere, we invite you to. Yes.
So that is actually a very interesting information, guys. It's for free. Originally I thought people paid to join the group.
No.
From these vibrant streets of Nairobi, it's a goodbye for us from now, but please remember to like, share and comment on this video and tell us what you think about this video. Goodbye for now.